Okay, good morning again everyone. So now it's come to the second session. So in the second session we are going to study with the textbook listening starter 2. Is it right? Yes. And today we are going to continue our lesson in unit 6 and we are going to study on page 41. Okay? Yes, and our lesson today will focus on the listening practice 3. But before going on, let me review a little bit about the word that we learned in the first page of this unit. So the first word is the word take care of. So the word take care of, it means what is it, everyone? It means to look after something or someone. The second word, the word hungry. Hungry, it means in need of, what is it, our food or wanting food, right? Good. And number 3, gentle, it means what is it, everyone? It means soft, it means calm, it means kind. So it refers to the word general. Okay? Number 4, exercise. What does it mean, exercise? Great. Exercise means physical activity that you do to make your body strong and healthy, like you play soccer, okay, play volleyball, play golf. So it's a kind of exercise. Number 5, clean. What does it mean, clean? As I told you, there are two meanings. If it is a noun, it refers to, what is it? It means not dirty. Sorry, if it is an adjective, it means it's not dirty. But if it is a verb, it means to remove dirt from something. Okay, good. What about number 6, alone? Alone means without the other people. Okay, without other people, it means alone. So these are the words that we just learned recently. Got it? Good. And everyone, related to our lesson today, as I told you, we are going to focus the listening practice 3. Okay, in section A, listen and put a check mark under the correct person or pet. So you need to listen to the track, and then if you think that Jeffrey sleep a lot, so you can tick here. If you think that, if you hear that Maggie sleep a lot, so you can check here, okay, check mark here. And if you think that cat sleep a lot, so you can put a check mark here. Got it? Good. So right now, everyone, are you ready to listen? Okay, so if you are ready, now let's start listening to the track all together. Let's start.
Hey, listen and put a check mark under the correct person or pet. I'm going to pick out a pet tomorrow. I don't know what to get.
I think a dog is a good pet for you.
Why do you say that, Maggie?
Because dogs are always hungry, just like you, Jeffrey.
I think you should get a cat. It's a good pet for you.
Why should I get a cat?
Because they sleep a lot, like you.
Okay, everyone, so after listening to the track, can you do it? Okay, because I see that it's not so easy to do it, so you can listen again, okay? So now, everyone, you can listen again. Now, listen.
Hey, listen and put a check mark under the correct person or pet. I'm going to pick out a pet tomorrow. I don't know what to get.
I think a dog is a good pet for you.
Why do you say that, Maggie?
Because dogs are always hungry, just like you, Jeffrey.
I think you should get a cat. It's a good pet for you.
Why should I get a cat?
Because they sleep a lot, like you.
Okay, everyone, so after listening to the track the second time, so I think that you may be able to do this exercise. So right now, let's put a check mark when we're all together, okay? So sleeps a lot. Who? Jeffrey or Maggie? Sleep a lot. Great. So Maggie, right? Maggie sleep a lot. Like was it? Great, like cat, right? Sleep a lot like cat. What about always hungry? Who? Everyone? Always hungry? Yes, Jeffrey, right? Jeffrey. Like was it? Like dog, right? Good. Who should get a dog? Who should get a dog, everyone? Who should get a dog? Great. Who? Jeffrey, right? Good. And who should get a cat? Who said? Who? Good, Mac. Maggie. Have you got the answer like this, everyone? Okay, so I hope so. Alright, everyone, so after put a check mark on this one, so right now let's move to the other section, section B. In section B here, they want you to listen again and choose T for true or I for false. If you're saying that this sentence, number one here is true, so you can put, you can say, you can circle on letter T, and if you're saying that this sentence is false or it's not right, so you can circle on letter F. Understand? Okay, so do not waste the time, everyone. So right now, I would like to ask you to listen again. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready to listen? So if you are ready, now let's start listening to the track all together. Okay, now listen.
Hey, listen and put a check mark under the correct person or pet. I'm going to pick out a pet tomorrow. I don't know what to get.
I think a dog is a good pet for you.
Why do you say that, Maggie?
Because dogs are always hungry, just like you, Jeffrey.
I think you should get a cat. It's a good pet for you.
Why should I get a cat?
Because they sleep a lot, like you.
Okay, everyone. So after listening to the track, can you get the answer right now? Can you do it? So in the first sentence, I can say number one, Maggie is going to pick out pet. So is it right? True or false? Good job. It is false, right? Not right. What about number two? Jeffrey thinks he should get a cat. Jeffrey thinks Maggie should get a cat, right? So that's why it's not right. So false. Got it? Have you got the answer like this? Okay, that's good. Okay, everyone, so do not waste the time. We also have, very special phrases to learn. It's kind of phrasal verb related to useful expression. So we are going to study with the new phrasal verb related to pick out. Pick out, what does it mean, everyone? So you can look at the example. Where are you going? I am going to the pet store. My mom said I can't pick out my pet today. So what does it mean, pick out, everyone? So pick out means to collect or to go and get someone or something. So you need to remember, okay? I can pick out my pet today. For example, everyone, you leave your dog at your friend's house yesterday, and last night, your friend calls you, tell you that today you are going to pick out your dog back home. So pick out means what? It means to collect or to go and get someone or something. Okay? So you need to remember. Yeah, that's it, everyone, for today. And let me say goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Goodbye.